Hello, this is John Eves. I'm one of the Star Trek and Marvel illustrators. We're out at the Pima Air Museum on a beautiful, hot May day, and I was out here today shooting some nose art reference. So I had a model friend of mine, Magali, come out, and so she did some poses, and she's going to be the inspiration for some nose art on one of the new ships we're working on. And I've been coming out here since probably 2009, and I use the Air Museum for a lot of the Star Trek reference, a lot of Marvel too, but mostly Star Trek. So when we do starships and stuff, it's always fun to tie in real world with the fictional world. And so using the aviation world of the past as the basis, it's kind of nice to see how that will tie in with the future of Star Trek. And so without realizing it, when you see a Star Trek ship, you're seeing its heritage in what you see here at Pima. Behind me is the B-47, which is one of my favorite planes and is always a great inspiration, as well as the F-104 or the P-40. And so there's no limit on what era the plane is. It could still be used for Star Trek ships. And as you see, there's a lot of great stuff around here, and they move it around, so every day is a new day at the Air Museum. And other than that, that's kind of what we do. And we draw off of inspiration for each other, and real world meets the science fiction world. Hi, we're back at one of the other jets that's a big inspiration for Star Trek, the F-104 Starfighter. And it's really got a lot of kind of inspiration in the Discovery ships and the new Picard ships, especially this kind of fin on the base down here. This fin here you'll see on the bottom of the nacelles for the Enterprise, the Discovery. Quite a few ships carry this fin, and it's a nod to an old original series episode called Tomorrow's Yesterday, where an NF-104 encounters the Enterprise, and so it's just kind of a fun lineage to tie the two together. Another jet that we use a lot for inspiration, well I do anyways, is the 101 Voodoo here. And I like the blunt nose. I've used that on a few ships. I never got a chance to take advantage of the external tanks and stuff except when we were doing the Warp 2 ship. And some of the earlier drawings had that, but almost everything here has a little bit of Star Trek forte in it. And the 101, the Phantoms, the F-15, everything you see here, the Harrier, everything pretty much has a little bit Star Trek inspiration behind it. So there you go. And Arizona is my home state, so Pima is always a favorite place to come. And aside from the nose art inspiration today, there's another secret project that is coming in the next season of one of Star Trek's latest shows that you'll be seeing coming up. So keep your eyes open for Pima Air Museum in the background. And that's it. Thank you for coming out.